It was only a matter of time before BHP Billiton got back on the acquisition trail. Less than a week after unveiling Australia's biggest corporate profit, BHP is buying its way into the US shale gas business with a $5 billion deal. According to BHP, it gives them the second largest position in one of the largest gas fields in the world. Andrew Robertson reports.
After 3 failed attempts at mega deals, BHP Billiton boss Marius Kloppers knew his strategy had to change. Building up second-tier assets is now a major focus, and Mr Kloppers gave a clue to the latest purchase at last week's profit announcement as he explained the development of BHP's potash portfolio.
We had a clear view that we were going to aggregate a resource position that fell exactly in the definition that we want. And you should expect that those sorts of things will continue.
And continue they have, with Mr Kloppers making that statement, knowing that BHP was about to conclude a $4.75 billion deal to buy the interests of Chesapeake Energy Corporation in the Fayetteville Shale project in Arkansas in the United States.
The gas resource in the shales in this basin could increase BHP's overall net resource base by almost 45%. So it's potentially a very large addition of gas resource to their portfolio.
In a statement to the Australian Securities Exchange, BHP Billiton said the acquisition is consistent with BHP's strategy of investing in large, long-life, low-cost assets with significant volume growth from future development. The company adding it also supports our goal of diversification by geography, customer and product.
Well, the benefits are an immediate increase in production. So we're talking about almost 67,000 barrels of oil equivalent a day, which is a 15% addition on top of their existing production.
BHP Billiton says the Fayetteville Shale project includes development options that will support substantially higher production over its 40-year operating life. BHP Billiton has also released details of its extended share buyback program that it unveiled at last week's announcement of its record half-year profit. Australian-listed shares will be purchased off-market in a tender process, while British-listed shares will be bought on-market.
10 billion is probably an adequate number. The reason we say that is because BHP is also looking at its organic growth. So you've got to have a balance between, I guess, increasing the value of shareholders currently and certainly having the funds available to increase shareholder value into the future.
BHP Billiton says Australian shareholders will receive the proceeds of the off-market buyback no later than the 18th of April.